One of the common challenges that we face at Cygnal is processing large amounts of survey data in a time-efficient manner while providing valuable insights to our clients. Q helps us bridge that gap by using recurring automations within the platform and integrated exports within common environments. Before we chose Q, we tested many tools and found that they were often complicated and weren't saving us the amount of time that we desired. Q really bridged the gap for us and provided the time savings with the deep insights that we needed. Q is our primary statistical package for processing all survey data. So day to day we use it to create partials, process final results, and generate insights for our clients. By generating deeper insights for our clients, our customers are able to see real return on investment from partnering with Cygnal. Cygnal acquired another polling firm in the fall of 2020, and their team were diehard SPSS users. And a week after testing Q, they fully committed to switching over because they loved how easy it was to use and how well it fit within their established workflows. Q empowered our team to reduce our time input on data processing by as much as 50%. By adopting both Q and Displayer into our survey environment, we are able to provide multiple deliverables for our clients with the same amount of work on our team. We're able to provide both traditional PowerPoint exports as well as live interactive dashboards in the same environment with the same workload.